Hello students, again the comparing quantities questions of the exercise. Before that I will be telling you about the sale tax or value added tax. This is ST or VAT, and these two are the tax which government charges, and that shopkeeper is taking these taxes from the customer and is given to the government. Shopkeeper charges these tax from the customer, takes it from the customer and then pays to the government, and these are added on the selling price. ये selling price में add होते हैं. So these two, they are added in these ones. Now the exercise questions. Exercise 8.2. The first question is, a man got 10% increase in salary. %10 increase in salary, and the new salary is 1,54,000. This is the new salary. Then you have to find out the original salary. This is the increased salary which the man has got, and he has got this increased salary on his original salary. 10% increase is there. So let us suppose that the original salary is X. Now we'll see that there is 10% increase in the salary. So we can just assume that this X is the original salary, and there is 10% increase in the salary of the man and is calculated on its original salary, and this increases to this much about the new salary. Now we can calculate this. Original salary plus 10% means 10 upon 100, 1,54,000. Now this is X plus X upon 10, sorry, 1,54,000. Taking the LCM is 10, and 10 plus 1 X is 1,54,000. Now this is 11 upon 10x is 1,54,000. We can just calculate the original salary. This is transferred to this side. This is in denominator, goes to the numerator, and this numerator goes to the denominator. Now from 11 you have to cancel out this. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. 1,40,000. This was the original salary, and then 10% increase salary, 10% increase. You can just see that 10% means 10%, this means 10 upon 100, and 10 upon 100 means 1 upon 10. To find out the 10% means you have to just divide that number by 10. आपको उस नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड करना है. So 10% of 1,40,000 is what you just have to divide it by 10. आपको इसको सिर्फ 10 से डिवाइड कर देना है. 1,40,000 upon 10, so that the last zero is cancelled, and this is 14,000. 10% of 1,40,000 is 14,000. Just remove the last digit if it is 0, or when you have to calculate 10%, or just put the decimal point. अगर नंबर है तो आपको उसको लास्ट डिजिट के ठीक पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना होगा. So you can just calculate the 10%. So this is how we are calculating the 10% and the original salary. Original salary is 1,40,000 rupees. Question number 2 is that it says that on Sunday 845 people they visited the zoo on Sunday, and on Monday 169. You can see that on Sunday it was 845 and on Monday it is 169. So there is decrease in the number of people visited the zoo. You can just calculate out the difference between these two is 676. So there is a difference of 676 people that visited the zoo on Monday. Now you have to find out the percentage decrease. This decrease is calculated on 845. So 676 upon 845 into 100%. So calculating this you will get the answer. Solving this, calculating it, cancel by 5, you will get 169. This cancels 20 times. Now 169 is divided by 13 times, and this we are calculating as 13 5s are 65 and 26, 13 2s are 26, 52 times. So 52 upon 13 into 20%. Again cancel. 13 1s are 13, 13 4s are 52. 4 into 20, that is 80%. So 80% is the decrease in the number of people that visited the zoo. Thanks.